One of the most important tools in the van for installs is a laser, and we like to use a 360 green laser. I have one here from Huepar, and I had my doubts about this brand for years, but it turns out I was wrong. We're going to show you about it today. So full disclosure, Huepar did send this out. I saw some videos on this on Instagram, and I reached out to them and asked if they would send it for review, and they were kind enough to do so. So it comes in this nice blow molded case here, super heavy duty. And this is the W04CG. It's a green 360 laser, and it's got some really cool features. So this is the laser itself. Something you might notice off the bat is this actually is a 1, 2, 3, 4 plane laser. Most 360 lasers are only 3, so this has 2 horizontal lines. I'll show you what's so nice about that. It is run off of a lithium-ion battery. So this is their own proprietary little 2.6 amp battery, which is just charged with the USB-C, either directly through the battery or through the laser itself. So that's nice. We currently use a 12-volt wireless laser. I've had them before with like AA batteries, and it's a nightmare. It's a lot of batteries. They run out really fast. So to be able to recharge is great. A remote, might be wondering what that's for. We'll show you here in a second. And some different bases here, a low base that's adjustable height-wise. Your more standard adjustable base here that can either mount on a tripod, or it has a magnetic mount here if you're working on steel studs or anything like that. You could also mount this to the wall that they provide you to mount to this laser. I think actually it'll hook on like that. So if you're working on wood stud wall or plywood, sheetrock, you can screw this to the wall and get good placement of your laser. Also, what I believe is for a drop ceiling. Very common use for lasers, so this will clamp onto the grid on the drop ceiling. A little tether target that comes with a lot of these lasers, helps you see it in far distances, which is magnetic as well, and just some other little odds and ends. But the coolest thing about this is that it moves on its own. So turn it on here, you have your pendulum lock. So right now, if you don't know, the way these lasers work, it's a pendulum. So this little laser emitter is hanging, and it's just using gravity to set level or plumb. So we can unlock the pendulums. You see now they're swinging around, and it fires up on its own. We have an LCD screen here on the side. A couple buttons. We have our power button here. This is the horizontal selector button, so that will turn off the different planes. You can see it on the screen here, so now both are on. Turn off the vertical. So it's all fully controllable here. This is a pulse mode, and that is with a receiver. So they actually have an electronic receiver that will sense the laser from a distance. Good on big jobs. Remote here, so hold that to turn it on. Now this is what's really cool. This is what drew me to this laser originally. So a lot of times with a vertical line, or if you're trying to shoot parallel to a wall, you're gonna have to come and you're gonna have to tweak this laser a tiny bit. You're trying to line up two points, maybe one here. You're gonna pre-shim a wall, and you're tweaking this thing. You have to get off of a ladder, come down, move it a little bit. This actually will move by this remote. So we can swing this left and right just by hitting the button on the remote here. It does have a button on the laser as well, so you can just hit these. So if you're trying to line up to a point, you can just very simply tick it over with the remote. You can change the speed, slow it down, speed it up, and they also have an app, so you can do it through an app. So super handy. What I want to do now is I want to throw it up on a tripod that I set up 50 feet away from a level line I drew with a brand new Sola level, and we'll see how accurate it is and show you what it looks like from afar. Before we put this on the tripod, I wanted to show probably my second favorite feature of this, and it's this bottom horizontal line. So you can see that on my hand here. It's coming from between the body of the laser and the base. I can't tell you how many times I've wanted to shoot a line very close to the floor, and typically the closest you can get is this top laser line here, which is, I don't know, it's about, say, 5-6 inches off of the ground, 5.5. This one's at 11/16, so you're able to get very, very close to the ground and shoot a line at your wall, basically anywhere that you want. So we can lock this pendulum. We'll head over to the tripod that I have set up over here and throw this up there. So this tripod, it's about 50 feet, maybe more to that line. And that's way further than we're ever going to be shooting a line on a job site. As a cabinet maker, maybe if you're in a different trade, you'll go further. But, I wanted to check the accuracy of this laser, because before we bring it on site, we need to make sure that it actually works. So like I said, we drew a line with a solar laser, super accurate. It's brand new. It's never been dropped. So this, because it's 360, it could be in any orientation. I guess here, we'll give you a good look at the screen. I did set the height on this. I might have to adjust it a little bit to hit that line since I removed it and put it back. All right, so now we can head over there and see if we're hitting our line. Probably going to shake for a second here, but so we're a little bit higher, so we need to adjust that down. So I'll make that adjustment and we'll take a look. I'm going to turn this light off as well. So we turned the lights off and adjusted the laser. We have some natural light coming in right now that's washing it out, but you could see it's bouncing around a little bit from walking on the floor, but we're right on top of that line. So at 50 feet, that's really good, super accurate, and you can see the line is not that wide for being so far away. I started out with a little cross line laser, and if you put it about 20 feet away, the line would be that fat. So we have, about an 1/8 inch wide laser line, which is good and nice and accurate. So that's plenty accurate for us. It's dead on, it's right on that line. So that's what we want. We want our levels and our lasers to match up. They need to be perfect. That way when we set our cabinets, we're not having any issues. So like I said, I had my doubts about this brand. When they first came out, I thought it was just another cheap knockoff type brand, but I know guys who've been using these lasers for about 10 years now, and they swear by them. So I figured I should try it out, and it looks like it's a great laser, and the price is great. So this, we just checked, it's less than $300. So we'll put a link down in the description. The laser that I have been using, which has, none of the features that this has, is like a $550, $600 laser. So definitely a great value. Seems like it performs great. We'll keep you updated if anything changes, but hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you're in the market for a laser level, I think this is a good choice. So check out, Huepar has a whole line, some with less features that cost less money. Check them out. Hopefully you enjoyed. Talk to you next week.